On this new year 2021 with new beginning, I'm here to showcase 6 new WhatsApp features that you must explore. Stay tuned until the end of this video to discover these exciting features on WhatsApp that you might have missed to explore. Hello friends, I am Praveen. Before we continue, I would request you to pause the video and subscribe to this channel Simple Ample. Let's start and find out what are those 6 new WhatsApp features that you must explore in 2021. Let me begin with this very first feature, that is fingerprint. Okay, for that what you have to do is you have to open your WhatsApp application. Straight away head to your menu section and click on settings. Then let's click on account, privacy. Scroll down until you see fingerprint lock. That's a very last feature. Click on fingerprint lock. Here you have an option to unlock with fingerprint. You can either enable or disable this feature. If you would like to enable fingerprint lock for your WhatsApp, find out and enable the feature. The first and foremost feature that you need to enable if you are concerned about security and to prevent messages from someone who may spy on your WhatsApp messages. Let's go to the second feature, that is change number. Hope many of you already know this change number thing, but if you are not aware what exactly this change number feature is, change number is not a brand new feature, but obviously it's a feature which you must explore in 2021. Change number is a feature which is an alternate option for you in case if you wish to delete your WhatsApp account at any given point in time. What you can do is instead of deleting your WhatsApp, you can swap with the change number feature. Let's find out how to enable or how to change your WhatsApp number by not losing your existing chat history. Click on settings, account. As you can see, there are 5 different options under accounts. In this you will find change number feature. Click on change number and click on next. You have to enter your existing or old phone number with the country code. Country code is already specified here. If you are from different country, then you can specify your respective country code and mention the contact number. Now in case if you want to change the number, input your new phone number with along with the country code. So like this, a WhatsApp account will swap from existing account to a new account. So this way you can change the number and change your WhatsApp account without compromising on your existing chats. So this is definitely a best option without deleting your WhatsApp account. The third feature is search or media link or your text message from the chat. Let's go to a main dashboard or main menu. Here we'll click on any of the individual chats here. What you can do is you can click on search and input a keyword. If you want to search for a specific keyword on this chat, so you can search by inputting the keyword. This is one option. Also you can search any media links or docs, which is the second option here from the main menu. You can navigate between media, docs and links if you have had an interaction in this chat. So you can find specific links or docs or media. Okay, this is the way to search a data on individual chat history. Fourth option is payments. Payments is a brand new feature which has been launched very recently. To enable payments, come back to main menu, click on more options. You will be able to find payments. Click on payments. If you have not enabled or added any payment methods, you can add payment methods. if you already have an UPI, or if you are using UPI across other instant payment platforms, add payment method, choose the bank. For example, you might be having payment methods in different banks. This is restricted to respective countries. Since I am currently from India, so I'll be able to see the banks which are linked with WhatsApp in India. So accordingly, I'll pick my payment method and I'll add my UPI to it. With this, you'll be able to make new payments to individuals or groups or businesses who's already have enabled payments in their respective WhatsApp. Remember, you will not be able to make any payments for people who don't have enabled their payment methods. You can only send payments or receive payments from people who are already using this particular feature. The next one is the fifth one, which is the disappearing messages. Disappearing messages means you can turn on disappearing messages feature to our respective individuals or our chats. With this setting, what you will be able to do is the messages will disappear after 7 days. That means automatically whatever you have interacted with that individual, all entire chat history will be deleted within 7 days or after 7 days. Remember, messages will disappear from the chat with whom you have interacted, but not outside the devices. If they have been forwarded, you will not be able to have a control over it, or stored within the device, then you will not be able to have a control over on that as well. Or if the screenshots are taken, then it's helpless. But chats which are there in the WhatsApp application, after 7 days they will be disappearing. Let's check out how to enable disappearing messages. Click on individual chat, then go to view contact. Once you click on view contact, you will be able to see disappearing messages. Currently I have not enabled this disappearing messages, but if I wish to enable, I have to click on disappearing message feature and click on it, then continue. Here I can enable or disable. So for now I'll disable this, but this is restricted to individual chats, not as a main feature. Sixth feature is the star messages. Star messages is something which acts like a bookmark of your chat interaction. Let's see how to enable that. For example, I have a chat history here. First, say like if in case if I wish to just star any particular element of this the entire chat history, I just have to press and hold on that section. Then I'll be able to see a star icon on top of this screen. If I click on that, that image or a chat interaction will be marked somewhere or stored somewhere where you can refer to. So this is something like, it behaves like a bookmarking a particular section of your chat history, but not as an entire chat. You cannot do that, but you can only choose some section of the chat history and you can star and they can refer to it later. Remember, if you delete your history, you will not be able to get that in the star section. You should not delete the messages if you wish to refer to it later. If it is existing in your chat history, then only you will be able to check that star message. See, I have clicked that section as star message, so I'm able to see image and some part of the message. So like this, you'll be able to check different star messages that behaves like a bookmarking of your chat interaction. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found some of the greatest features on WhatsApp that you can start using from today. In case if you have any queries or if you wish to give a feedback, feel free to write a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. For similar videos, don't forget to subscribe Simple Ample. Have a great year.